excited. Yeah.
Sit straight and listen.
Done? Are you done? Almost. After that, you need to put the ketchup. Ketchup on the crown. The ketchup. Ketchup. Okay.
The
Alright.
mustard.
Are you done?
That's okay.
Almost.
And then the ketchup.
Alright, after the ketchup, you need to put a pickle.
The next.
It's okay if you don't like the pickle.
Wait for
With the
ate.
onion.
Yeah, here.
Are you done?
Okay. Your brother naman, your brother.
Alright.
Put the cheese.
Where's your bottom bun? The bottom bun. Can I see your bottom bun? Ayan.
The cheese.
You need to put the bottom bun. Ayan.
And then the patty. You're not gonna
And
eat
after that?
this one, oh.
Ayan. Don't flip it. Don't flip it. Don't flip it.
Sige, yes.
Ayan.
Go here.
Ayan.
Okay.
Ayan. Kay Kuya Vincent. Tingin Kuya Vincent kung paano mag-wrap.
Here.
Ayan. Campers, tingin po lahat here. All eyes on Kuya Vincent. Ayan. Ayan. Wala mo na mag-wrap. Ayan. The crown is on the bottom. Ayan. Don't flip it. Don't flip it. Don't flip it. It's on the bottom. The crown. Ayan. Like that.
At the bottom.
Alright. First, we need
In the
to
middle,
fold
in the
it.
middle.
Follow Kuya Vincent. Follow Kuya Vincent. Ayan.
Follow Kuya Vincent.
Fold it.
May I see your cheeseburger? Tingin nga, Tiki. Picture, ate. With your cheeseburger. Hold it. Yan. Number 1, 2, 3. About you, Liam. You hold your cheeseburger. I'm gonna take a picture. Okay. You're gonna eat that later, ha? You're gonna eat that later, Liam. How do you find, cheeseburger making, Ate Peach?
Very fun and easy.
Very fun. Very cool. Okay, you're gonna eat that, ha? Okay, bye.
Right? Ate Peach. One, two, three, must man. Say cheers.
Yes, po. Alas po, mama. Nuggets lang.
Juice.
Orange juice. Medium
Sorry po.
Okay, no add-ons lang. Ano? Ano, sir?
Okay na po.
Okay na lang. Auntie Peach lang po. Kasi sa check-out naman po. Check-out.
At the counter.
Yes, sir. Kuya Liam, ano number to? 10. Okay. 10 po dito.